Hello everyone. I wanted to share something really cool with you guys. It's not one of those make or break truths or anything like that, just something that I found very fascinating because it relates to a phenomenon known as ball lightning. And as we have shared before, lightning is very fascinating, especially when it comes to these sprites that we were putting out there, because they show us the firmament, and they're also mentioned in the book of Enoch where it says some of the stars rise up and become lightning but cannot lose their form. Well, the lightning luminary connection is really cool, because I would have thought that sounded really crazy if I hadn't seen it myself and replayed the videos over and over and studied them. But as you can see, the sprites show us the firmament, so we know exactly where they're coming from. Well, I found this footage of some ball lightning, and somebody had compiled a bunch of them, and as I'm watching the footage I'm thinking these things look a lot like the luminaries that we see when we stare up at the sky, or when we zoom way in. As you can see here, these luminaries are different than what we have been told. They are not suns light years away. They are all very close within the firmament, just like the sun and the moon. So quite awesome to explore these things, and I wanted to show you some footage that I'd compiled of ball lightning and let you give us your feedback, what you think they are. I just think they're cool. Either, if science hasn't figured them out yet, we can't replicate this in a lab. They have these properties that I have never seen before when looking at anything electrical. They seem to move in different ways depending on who's captured them, and I guess how the intensity of the storm. So look at the footage we've compiled here, and let us know what you think. Again, this isn't the most important make or break truth or anything like that. I just thought it was fascinating and wanted to share it with you guys and get some feedback.